Good morning. For this assignment, you will be showing what you know about writing proofs of statements. So just to start out at the top, I just have listed all of the different properties and theorems that we've learned, and you can review that. This is a good place to refer to it. So if you want to look up a proof, you can turn to this page. It's mostly the same thing, you know, our arithmetic properties, and then we have reflexive, symmetric, transitive, and substitution properties. We also have the congruence properties with the same names, except it applies to congruence. So I'm going to work through this first proof, but then you'll see the other assignments. One is figuring out what some other angles are based on our properties. It gives us some facts up here about some of the angles. That's mostly vertical angles and linear pairs, so make sure you understand that. You're going to have to fill in the blanks for this proof for the reasons, and then down here, you're going to try to write your own two-column proof. So remember how it's written. On the left are the statements, right are the reasons. And when you write it, you usually always start with given statements, and the last line should be what you're trying to prove, right? And it even lists the properties that you should use. All right. So just to go through this again. Okay. So it says you're given AL is equal to SK. We have this line segment with these points, and we want to prove that AS is equal to LK. All right, notice there's no congruencies, it's all equal signs. So first, it says AL is equal to SK. That's the given statement. Okay. See, I think we're going to type it instead of you writing it out. So number one is given. Given. Number two says LS is equal to LS. So that's a property we haven't used a lot, but that's the reflexive property. So we could just say reflexive property. Next, we have AL plus LS equal to SK plus LS. And that is, well, they took the first statement and added something the same amount on both sides. So that's the addition property of equality. Equality. Okay, then I look at the next line. What did they do here? Well, they said SK. They looked at the diagram, saw SK is plus LS. Well, that's this SK plus LS is. What did they do here? So they replaced SK plus LS. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not what they did. They said AL plus LS is equal to the entire line, right? So AL plus LS is equal to the entire line, AS. So that's what we call the segment addition property. So we can add those two together to get the entire line, right? And also we know SK plus LS is equal to LK. They looked at the line, and again, that's the segment addition property. And why they say 4 and 5, you notice, is okay, they say, all right, now that we established these two equations, we can look back at number 6, number 3, and apply it to number 6. We can replace AL with AS, AL plus L, the left side of the equation, let's say, we can replace it with AS, and the right side, we can replace it with LK, and we get the statement we're trying to prove. So they go here, and that's the substitution, because they substituted something both sides something else, substitution property. And that's how we go step by step to solve something in this. And just showing the reasons, right? And you can see how you could write your own proof. You just start with the given statement and step by step explain how we get from the given statement to the statement you are trying to prove, okay? So again, please, you can review the past proofs as well. Try to find the values for all the angles and say the reasons for each statement, and then try to write your own proof with statements and reasons. All right, so just try your best with that. Again, ask if you have any questions, attend the tutoring, or just email or message me if you have any questions on the assignment. All right, have a very good rest of your day, and I will see you next time.